Hello, Paul from EMD Automotive. I've got a Porsche Cayenne Turbo 957, this one here, second generation Cayenne Turbo. Today I'm doing the actual, I got the camshaft out from before, and I've got some parts already received today. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking every single one out. These are the lifters. So that's the intake lifters, this one here. And that's the exhaust lifters. So there's 16 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 altogether. So now I'm going to take every single one out from the box, just double check it, and then I'm going to put it inside the oil, let it soak for probably 2 days. So the lifters can fill up with oil, maybe today, tomorrow, so I can start the assembly. Slowly do bank 1 and I'll do bank 2 and do the timing and a few little hoses I've got to replace, breather hoses, but from there, and then I'm going to make sure the actual, because I removed the front end off, now it's all back together, so I've done the actual diff pushing. They were all broken. The pushing for the diff. That's where the whole diff was vibrating when you're actually accelerating. So it sent a vibration from the actual floor at the front floor, passenger side, and the passenger side and the driver's side. I'll double check the torque figures for the actual for this one, which is a the subframe bolts, because everything was out, and then I'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.